Very good. Next, crane. Crane, you don't know? Bagula, crane.
No, ma'am.
Bagula, crane.
Bagula crane.
Okay. Now will you say, Ma Satvik? Satvik. Will you say now? Try. Let me see.
Yes, ma'am.
Try. Try. Whatever you know that you say. That alone you say. It's enough.
More.
Hmm. More peacock. Very good. Hmm.
Hums.
That duck.
Hums.
Hmm. Hans swan.
Kotak.
Hmm.
Kabutar.
Hmm. Ullu. Ullu. Who say ullu? We have learnt, no? Ullu. Owl. Bagula, crane. Okay, very good, Satvik. This much you have tried. Well done. Next is Arjun.
Yes, ma'am.
Take the birds page, Pakshi page, and tell me what are all the birds that you know.
Avago.
Hmm.
Tota parrot.
Hmm.
More peacock.
Hmm.
Kabutar pigeon.
Hmm.
Ullu owl.
Hmm.
Garudu. Garudu.
Hmm.
Eagle.
Ah,
Bagula king.
very good. Well done, Arjun. Good boy, Arjun. Okay, Lakshraj. Laksh. Laksh. Lakshraj is not there, huh?
Namaste, Guruji, ma'am.
Namaste, ma exam. Okay, I want you to take this page, year page. Page number 43. Page number 43. Yeah. This is yeah. Yeah. Yeah say yajna. Yeah say yati. Yeah say yamuna. Sorry, yamuna. Yajna, yati, yamuna. Yeah say yajna. Yeah say yati. Yeah say yamuna. Next one is ra. Ra say rat. Where is rat? Show me where is rat, children. Ra say rat. Which is rat? Very good. Okay. Ra say ratna. Which is ratna? Yeah, ma. Namaste, Mane. Surya.
Okay. Namaste, ma'am.
Ra say ratna. Which is ratna? Very good, Shravan, Roshan. Which is ratna? Maswin. Asking your mama to
Diamond,
identify.
ma'am. Diamond.
Diamond. Yeah. Gem. Okay. Next,
Namaste,
Ra
ma'am.
say rubbered. Where is Ra say rubbered? Show me the rubbered picture. Ra say rubbered. Good. Good, everyone. Ra say rassi. Ra say rassi. Which is rassi?
Rope, ma'am.
Namaste, Lak. Namaste, Ryan. Rassi. Very good, children. Ra say rassi. This is rassi. This one. Rope. Okay. Next is la. La say ladki. Which is ladki? Show me the picture, ladki. Good. ladki. Next, la say lattu, not laddu. Lattu, lattu. La say lattu. Wrong, Magritvik. La say lattu. This is lattu top. Very good, Roshan. La say lattu top. La say lahsun. Lahsun. What is lahsun? Show me. Which is lahsun?
Garlic, ma'am.
Very good. Lahsun. Very good, Shravan. Garlic. Lahsun. Garlic. Lahsun. Garlic. Very good, Ryan. Next, la say laddu. All of you know. La say laddu. Next is va. Va. Va say vak. Where is vak? Va say vak. Show me where is vak. Very good, Roshan. Va say vak. This one. Va say vak. Next is va say vakil.
Lawyer.
Vakil. Good. Vakil is lawyer. Good. Next, va say one. One. There is one. One. Very good, Gurpreet. Seven good. One. Va say one. Good. Next is va say varsha. 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 What is varsha? Rain. Yeah, good. Varsha, rain. Good children. Okay, now sha. First sha. Sha say sharbat. Sharabat. Sharbat. Which is sharbat? Very good, Maswin. Sharbat. Good. Next is sha say shalgam. Shalagama. Shalgam. Good, ma Roshan Gutvik. Correct. Good, right. Shalgam. Sha say shahnai. Sha say shahnai. Good. Shahnai. Shahnai. Good. Well done. Sha say shahad. Which is shahad?
Honey, ma'am. Honey.
Animala.
Honey,
Shahad.
ma'am.
Honey.
Honey.
Honey. Shahad. Good. Very good. Next page. Second sha. Sha. Sha say shatpad. Shatapad. Shatpad. Shatpad. Very good, Ryan. Shatpad. Good. Shatkon. Sha say shatkon. Good. Shatkon, hexagon. Good. Next is sa. 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 Sa say sadak. 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 Which is sadak?
Namaste,
Namaste.
Guruji,
You
ma'am.
already said namaste. What happened? Sadak. Road. Very good, right? Sadak. Road. Good. Sa say sabjiyan. Sabjiyan. What is sabjiyan? Very good, Roshan.
Vegetables, ma'am.
Roshan Shravan, good. Sabjiyan. Vegetables, good.
Vegetables.
Samachar.
Ma'am.
Samachar Patra. Show me where is Samachar Patra. Samachar Patra. Samachar means news. Patra means paper. Samachar Patra is newspaper. Good.
Ma'am,
Sir
समाचार
say,
पत्र में
okay. Sir say circus. 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 Good. Next is her. Her say, this is her. Her say hull. 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 Where is hull? Hull. Good. Maswin. Hull. Hull. Which is hull, Maswin? Playing with the book. Hull. Hull. This one is hull. Love. Hull. Letters also you can read it easy only. Hull. Hull. Okay, next is her say hateli. Hateli. Her say hateli. Good. Well done. Her say halwai. Halwai. Good. Her say Hanuman. Hanuman. Good. Next is Sha. 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 This Sha, I told you how you should pronounce. Should pronounce along with the ik sound. Ksha. Not blankly, you should not say it as Sha. Iksha. Okay? Sikshak. Shikshak. Sha say Shikshak. Can hear the ik sound and then Kshatriya. Kshatriya. This one. Kshatriya. Kaksha. Kaksha is classroom. Kaksha. Classroom. Kaksha. Classroom. Kshama. What is Kshama? Apology. If you are saying sorry, that is Kshama. Kshama. Along with the ik sound, you have to pronounce, children. What letter is this, Dayanand? Pronounce it. Dayanand, pronounce the letter.
सत
No, Ksha. Ksha. Okay, Kritvik.
Yes, ma'am.
What letter is it?
Sir.
Ksha.
Sir.
No, sir. Iksha. Ksha.
Sir.
Okay. Next, Roshan. What letter is this? Ksha. Okay, Ryan.
This letter is Sha.
Ksha. Very good. Next is Tra. Turn the next page. Tra. 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 What letter is it, Arjun? Tra. 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 Three, you will say no, like that. Tra. Tra. Tra say Trishul. Tra say Trishul. Tra say Chatra. Tra say Patra. Tra say Chatra. Trishul. Chatra. Patra. Chatra. Trishul. Chatra. Patra. Chatra. Okay? Next is Gnya. Gnya, Gnya. Gnya. Yajna. Jnani. Jnani. Okay. Next page you'll have Shra. Shra say Shravan. Shra. Shravan, your name will begin with this letter Shravan. Shra.
Yes,
Shravana.
ma'am.
Shravan. Shra. Okay, this is your letter. Shra. This is Shra. Shra say Shravan Kumar. Shravan Kumar. Okay. Shra say Ashram. Ashram. Ashrama. Ashram. Shra say ashram. A is here, Shra is here, and Ma. Ashram. Whenever you pronounce in Hindi, the ending word you will get only the half sound, children. You will not get the full sound of the ending letter. Even if you write it as full Ma, you will not pronounce it as Ma. Okay, only you will pronounce. Okay, so ashram. Next is shramik. Shramik is laborers. Shramik. Shramik, laborers. Shram means worker, work. Shramik means laborers. More people when they are working, we used to say it as shramik. Okay, Shra say Shravan. I'll say it as Shravan. No Shravan Kumar. Shra say Shravan. Shra say Ashram. Shra say Shramik. Okay, now take your candy book, everyone. Candy book. Till here we have finished, right? Today we are going to write this Ksha. Page number is 91. 9191. This page you are going to write. Before that, you are going to come through this Sh. From here, the butterfly will come through this way to this flower. Okay? You have to connect it, children. From here, connect this Sh, and this Sh, and come to this flower. Okay? And then start writing. Before doing the exercise, what should you write? What should you write?
Date.
Very good, Maizan. Today's date. Today's date is 18-3-2121. Good boy, Izan.
Thank you, ma'am.
Right. Ksha, ksha, iksha, ksha. Ksha. I'll tell you how to write that letter. Sleeping line. Sleeping line. Standing line. Go back. Ksha. Okay. First a sleeping line. A standing line. Go from here. Take a twist. Come back like S only. Cursive writing S you will write, no? But that you will write like this. This you are going to just like it ulta. Like this. That's it. Okay? Sure. Sleeping line. Standing line. Take a curve. Come down. Sure. Sleeping line. Standing line. You can write over that letter also and see, children, if you are feeling it very difficult to write. Next page also you have that sh letter, no? Over that itself you write and see. Then it will be even more easier to write. Page number 90, you have that sh letter, no? Take your pencil, write over that and see. First start with a sleeping line, standing line, and then come down like this. Sleeping line, standing line, sh. Try to write without taking off your hand, children. Then only the letter will be easy for you to write. Your hand should come out only writing the sleeping line and standing line. And when you are connecting with the curves, be careful. Don't take out your hand. With full stretch, you have to write this letter. Then only it will be easy for you in future to write. Don't write like this. First a sleeping line, then like this, then go down like this, then like this. No, it's wrong. Don't do like that. Full fledged. Sure. Slowly take your own time and write, children. No need to hurry up. Write slowly. Sure. Sleeping line, standing line.
I finished the sermon.
Sure. It's not sir, ma. It's sure, sure. Ik plus sure, sure. See, children, here in this page also you can take your pencil and you can try tracing this. Then it will be even more easier. Those are feeling very difficult to write. This page. Sleeping line, standing line, and then go up, come down, and a curve. Okay? 2-3 times if you rewrite on that, then it will be easy for you.
Done, ma'am.
Yes, good mark. Very good mark done. Izan finished, Dayanand finished, then who else? Nevin, show me your book.
No, ma'am.
Then why? Nevin. Nevin. Show me your book, how you have written. What you didn't write and you showed thumbs up in here. Write, still write. Not you, Sai children, Nevin Surya. Finished? Very good, mark. Very good, Sai children. Sure. Spell and write, children. Sure. Dayanand, if you are free, you can write the next page also, Dayanand, this page. Those who finish writing this page till others finish, you can carry on with this page. Don't waste your time.
It's free, ma'am.
Yes, ma?
It's free.
What free?
The worksheet is easy,
This
ma'am.
page also is written, huh? This page also.
I writing now this page.
Right, ma, right, ma. Good, ma. Right. Shravan, sorry. What's that? Kumara Gurubaran. Are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. You finish one page, it's enough, children. This page, if you finish, it's enough. Take the next letter. Tra. Tra is very easy. Tra. Tra se Trishul. Tra se
Ma'am,
Trishul. What, ma, Satvik?
I finished, ma'am.
Yeah, good, ma. Take this page. Those are finished, you can take this page. Tra se Trishul. Ulta K. When you write ulta K, it is Tra. That's it. Trishul. Trace here. Afterwards, you can color. Start writing Tra. Sleeping line, standing line, and when you write ulta K, K you will write forward like this. But side you have to write Tra. That's it.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, ma, Dayanand.
I still didn't finish the straw page.
That page, if you are free, I told you to write. Afterwards also you can write. You can carry on with this. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
One page you have finished writing, no?
Yes.
Then carry on with this page. Tra.
Okay,
Tra
ma'am.
se Trishul.
Kamera, Ika,
Trishul.
Ika, make
Tra. Like this. Isn't Tra. Tra se Trishul.
I finished, ma'am.
Very good, ma. Tra. Good.
Done, ma'am.
Very good, Izan.
Finished, ma'am.
Very good, ma. Lakshraj, good.
Sukriya.
I didn't finish the class yet.
Ma'am, he's saying thank you.
Okay. Welcome. I thought you are leaving the class. Those are finished. I want you to take page number 101. 101. This page. The same notebook, 101. Write today's date and be ready, children. If you can do it on your own also, you can try it out. Masvin, finish.
Yes, ma'am.
Take 101, page number 101.
Ma'am, I'm finished, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Take page number 101. This page. Shravan, Arjun, finish. Shravan, finish. Arjun, finish. Take page number 101, this page. Okay, the first picture is Tarbooj. What letter you will circle? Ta say Tarbooj. First
First
one.
letter. Oh, ma'am.
See third, circle the letter third. Second is Sharbat. Sh say Sharbat. Sh. Sh say Sharbat. Next is Sh say Shalgam. This one, third one. Sh say Shalgam. You know which sh you have to circle. And the fourth one, Yajna. Ya say Yajna. Ya. Can see? Ya say Yajna. Next picture. What is the next picture after Yajna?
Just a Jahaship.
Very good. Ja say.
Third letter, ma'am.
Lattu. La say Lattu. Letter. La say Lattu. Next is, what is this picture? What is this?
No,
Null.
say
Na
no,
say
ma'am.
null. Na say null. Here you have na. Na say null.
Satriya.
Very good, Ma Shravan. Kshatriya. Which ksha? Iksha. Ksha. This one. Last one. Shram. This one.
Shramik.
Shra. Shravan Shra. Shramik. Shramik is laborers, but this is Shram. Labor, work. Okay? That's it, children. Hope everyone have finished circling all those letters. Thanks for your cooperation. Bye, everyone. Shukriya.
Thank you.
Shukriya, children.
Shukriya, ma'am.
Shukriya.
Baba.